Hi, I'm here with the Nature Group Swap hosted by Melissa Merritt. And I'm sorry that I recorded this kind of late. It's because I've been really busy. Okay, this is Wildflower. Oh, she said, thanks for joining my Nature Group Swap. Love the mix and nail art. Hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy your goodies, your friend Melissa Merritt. Okay, so this is called Wildflower. It's really pretty. Has blue, green, all kinds of different colors. It's like holographic. It's really cute. Oh, and I just did my nails. I had to cut it short because I want to do some crafts and I can't do it with long nails. So anyways, this is really pretty. Next one is Once in a Blue Moon, and this is from Nails by Brandy. So this is really pretty. It has black, blue, and silver. And her nail art is stars and moons. The next one is Mystical Nature by Mitchie Loves Art 36. This is pretty. This is like a brown, it's sand. It has stars. And I think these are eggshells in there. And little hexies. Let me see. It doesn't want to focus. And her nail art are also stars. Next is Love Bug, and this is from A Goats. Black glitter with red tinsel, and there's a heart, a hollow heart in there. And her nail art are females, and it's red hearts. Next is Nature Walk, and Lori Tony 67 made this. Let's see if we could open it. You can't really tell, but it's green and has gold tinsel and some little hexies. It's really pretty. And look at how pretty her little nail art is. Butterfly and leaves and flowers. This is really cute. And the next one is Spring Flower, and Maida Perez made this. It's like a purple, purple glitter, silver hexies, and some kind of holographic tinsel. And her nail art is flower females. Then Melissa wrote a note and said, oops, Lisa, hey girl, I sent a dangle for you and Marie. Yours is the flower, Marie is the cross. Didn't want to leave her out. Enjoy your goodies. Your friend Melissa Merritt. Thank you, Melissa, for thinking of my honey Marie. That was really nice of you. So she gave us these dangles, which is really cute. I should put that on my nail. The yellow flower and the purple cross and tattoos. This is really cute. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you ladies for all your beautiful mixes, and thanks again for our little dangles and for hosting the swap. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.